My name is Wojcik. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, so I treat a variety of musculoskeletal and bone and joint conditions with a primary focus on hip and knee arthritis and joint replacement. Born and raised in Colorado, did a lot of my undergrad training in medical school there, and then I did residency at the University of New Mexico. And then during that time, I realized I wanted to do a kind of focus on joint replacement. So I did a fellowship, kind of specialized year of training in that down at the Florida Orthopaedic Institute in Tampa. I love to spend time with friends and family. I love spending time with my wife, Annie. We love getting outdoors, going on adventures, traveling, biking, skiing, hiking. Growing up, I was always an inquisitive kid and good at school, and then, when I found my way to medical school and, finding my passion for helping people, I got exposure to different fields, and I saw, orthopedic surgery. Not only could I, use my heart, my brain to help people, but I could also use my hands. I grew up kind of hands-on, doing some different building and repairing things, and when I saw I could kind of tie that into the field of helping people, I was hooked. Conditions I focus on are hip and knee arthritis, the techniques we have to treat that, the surgeries themselves, and the outcomes that I saw these patients go through, the improvements in their quality of life. I found it really fascinating, and that's ultimately why I chose that particular specialty. Really, the most rewarding part is seeing the patient's recovery, seeing them get active again, or if I got a patient that's barely able to walk because of a bad hip or knee condition, getting them back to mobility and less pain, that's really what makes it all worth it. Northwest Orthopaedic Specialists is really just an exceptional practice. There's some excellent providers here. We cover the whole spectrum of orthopedic conditions, and they give a lot back to the community. We have an outpatient surgery center where I'm just absolutely impressed with the outcomes and the results that we're able to provide our patients. I'm really, really proud to be a part of this team.